sometimes I just wish I wasn't a mermaid. Oh my! Where's the mermaid? Get away from me! Get away! Get away! Are you Cathedral, the mighty mermaid hunter? Are you the She-Man? Yes, I am! I'm gonna kill you! Stay away! Stay away! I'll kill you! I heard that the formula works the same on humans! Or should I say she-males? You sick little lesbian. I know. You have 9 wives and like 2 husbands. What the heck is your... I killed Cathedral. You killed me.